Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss a new concept, that is, we have to write a program to display whether a number is even or odd. Well, first of all, we should learn what is an even number and what is an odd number. So any number which is completely divisible by 2 is an even number, and the number which is completely divisible by other than 2, that is 3 or whatsoever, or we can say that it is not divisible by 2 completely, is an odd number. Let us take some of the few examples. So for example, 2 is an even number, 4 even, 6 even, 8 even, 10 is an even number. On the other hand, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are odd numbers. So now, how we are going to display which number is an even number or an odd number? Okay, so what we have got a number, for example, num, which is equal to say 6. We have to check whether this given number entered by the user is an even number or an odd number. What we are going to do, we will simply write some of the statements using the control statements, or we can say the conditional statements in which we are going to use the if-else concept. So we will write if the number is divisible by, that is, divisible means the remainder should be 0. So here, by using this mod operator, we are going to get 0 in the remainder. If num modulus 2 is equal to 0, that means if the number modulus by 2, say for example, if I am going to divide this 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, and the remainder which we will get is 0, right? This is the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. So after performing only this step, we are going to get the 0. And if we can say the other statement is 0 is equal to 0, that is true. And if it is true, we are going to say that it is what? It is an even number. Or else, it will definitely be an odd number. Why? Because if the condition is not true, say for example, if the number is 7, 7 divisible by 2, let us just divide it. 2, 7. So 2 3s are 6. The remainder which we will be getting is 1. So definitely this condition will not be true in this scenario. Therefore, if the condition if is not true, it will never enter into the block of the if statement which have been mentioned. It will definitely enter into the else part, and therefore which will print that the number is an odd number. This is how the logic works of an even or odd number. Let's move on to the coding section. Over here, I will be taking a number. Number is equal to, assume, 6. I will simply write the statement if num modulus 2 is equal to 0, else it is an odd number. Let's just execute it and check it out. So 6 is an even number, okay? And if I will say 7, it will definitely say that it is an odd number. Let us try another example, 17. So 17 is also an odd number. And if I will say 170, so 170 is equally divided by 2, and therefore it will display it as an even number. Thank you very much. Hope you guys understand.